How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Oscar, and what can I say? I'm super grateful for everything that happened this week. I'm excited because we saw the change in price move like crazy. Just look at the green candlesticks from the Amazon rumors, then the Binance.us, and now the price of AMP token is coming back down. And you're looking at this video live, and it's getting really close to 6 cents now. So what should we do? Well, all of that and more I'm going to tell you by the end of this video. I already have my strategy and I'm going to share it with you, and as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so take this with a grain of salt. And for those who are the biggest fans of the channel, the Amper community, and much more, I have a surprise for you very soon. I'm going to tell you, and I just want to say thank you guys, because that's what we talk in the channel, guys. Stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies, long-term growth little by little. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells so you never miss a live stream or a video. Thank you very much. So guys, looking at the price of AMP token, what can I say is that I'm ready to buy at the dip. I'm ready to buy when it's red. People ask me all the time, like, what should I buy more? When should I sell even? And what I say, when it comes to selling, just be mindful that you have to pay taxes on them if you want to have day trade. And I mean, this is not gonna finish or be realized. I'm talking about AMP token in 2021. This is gonna take time. And when to buy, I like to buy right here. And when people are criticizing AMP token from all fronts. Now, my idea of why am I saying that the price may continue dropping is, well, now you're looking at the price. We said goodbye to 8 cents, 9 cents, starting with Amazon right here. Boom. We gave the all-time high, recent all-time high of 9 cents, then came back, and now the Binance.us release launch, we only reached 8 cents and then came back down. No problem. But by looking at the RSI year to date, it tells us that it's going to actually start coming back down. And the MACD, when you see this light green histogram, it indicates that it can actually keep dropping back down because the MACD and the signal are starting to approach each other. As we saw right here, if you go back to June, mid-June, the price was going to come down, but of course this was Coinbase launch, so it increased the price a lot. But we don't have any Coinbase launch, we don't have any other type of launch or big news, so as a default, I think that this is gonna keep dropping, which is great because I'm about to get paid end of the month, beginning of a new month, and that means I can buy a lot more AMP tokens. As you know, in this week I've been telling you that I want to get to $100,000, so I'm just super excited. And to not keep you waiting, guys, here's the surprise before we actually get into more AMP token content and crypto content. I've just started the memberships here on YouTube, and I just want to say thank you to all of you and my subscribers and my followers. We've been really growing very fast to my standards, and I'm super grateful. If you guys understand, we have live streams, I mean, at least 1 or 2 per week. And in those live streams, I like to give shout outs. I like to really recognize the people who go above and beyond. And if you want to be part of those selected group of people, the only thing you have to do is click, subscribe, join, and then just go ahead and enjoy your perks and your badges. So it's going to be pretty awesome. And if you want to continue without the membership, that's totally fine. I'm always going to respond the questions in the live streams and always give priority to those members. So thank you so very much for considering, and let's continue with this. So the price of AMP token, coming back down, not a problem. I selected this support, this resistance actually here at 9 cents. We couldn't break it with the Binance.us, not a problem. Now we have a support of 6 cents, mid 6 cents. So my definition is that we're going to actually pass that resistance support, and I'm probably going to be looking at AMP token at around 5 or mid 5s, early low 6 cents. That's my gateway to start loading more. But as always, I do see always I'm talking to exceed my expectations, which is going lower and sometimes going higher. So always keep that in mind. But by looking at my analysis and everything that it's looking at, and by looking forecasting of the news, really there's not much to do when I'm talking. Nothing has changed with the project. It's still doing the same thing. Flex is still doing the same thing. So that's pretty good. Looking at Coinbase right now, not more people are selling, 54%. So that tells me that, it's coming back down, which is okay. I mean, that's the purpose of I'm token. People sell, people buy, not a problem. Number 9, still in the top 10 here on Coinbase. That's fantastic. And one of the main things that we're talking about in the live streams yesterday and on Wednesday is that, of course, Coinbase had a huge volume transaction of more than 60%, Gemini even 9-10%, and Binance.us at 4%. Now, the numbers from yesterday's live stream had Gemini at about 12% and Binance at 2%, which means that it seems that Binance is getting some market share and Gemini is decreasing. So people may be transferring from Gemini to Binance, and or some of them from Coinbase to Binance.us. So it's going to be interesting. I think by next week, we're really going to see the true numbers of Binance.us. But by looking at this, it does seem that it could be somewhere around what Gemini was, which is like 10%. But still, Coinbase will be the leader, which means that Coinbase really had a huge impact on the price of token, and Binance did not because of that. Just there's so many people trading, which makes total sense. Good news, of course, that the number of holders is increasing steadily, so that's I think what you have to care about. And of course, with Flexa capacity 1.6, that is amazing. It's still growing. And if actually I show you, which is really great news for you guys, the APY what Flexa pays you annually for your token staked has increased from 3.86, I believe, the first time I checked it, even like a month ago, to 3.91, and now it's 3.94. So what can I say, guys? Just really great news for the entire community. If you want to stake your coins, I'm gonna link actually my my video down below if you want to do it with Coinbase, because that's my Coinbase account, my Coinbase wallet. Very easy to do. It takes just a few minutes. You have Ethereum on your wallet, and bam, 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 bam. What I recommend is that you have a lot, if not all of your tokens, so you don't keep paying those gas fees, which sometimes get to be, rack up and be a little bit more expensive. And just for you guys, because this is pretty cool, we all know what Nasdaq is. The company is really awesome. It's, very prestigious company. And at the beginning of July 2021, right here, they selected the 7 best altcoins, and guess what? Guess who was among these 7? Well, token, and they actually come and talk about token. And I know that they did not change their mind just 1 month later, because we're still in July. So, I mean, guys, from all fronts and even the top companies, they understand that good penny altcoins, good really cryptocurrencies right now is all of these 7, including token. So what I'm gonna do after all, continue holding token, continue buying dollar cost averaging DC8, and adding to my portfolio when it's red low, which means below that support level. Right now, it's still, for me, a lot of money, is still high, and I'm gonna wait for it to drop back down. You guys do the best for your wallets, but that's my predictions after all. And as always, people ask me, what is your prediction by the end of the year? Still, I'm gonna hold with 15 to 20 cents. But for that to reach that point, we just gotta let Bitcoin do its thing, the rest of the currencies do its thing by increasing during the rest of the year. And well, let's see what other news we receive, because just by hearing from Amazon some really great news, I mean, maybe partnerships with Flex or so, this is what happened. So of course we're gonna be in tune to more developments as we continue moving forward. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate your support. As always, you now know about the memberships. It's gonna be active now here on my YouTube channel. So as I start live streams, now you can join and enjoy all these emojis and badges. So it's gonna be pretty cool. And I mean, what can I say, guys? You wanna make money today? Check the links down below. You wanna start and talk to me more privately on Patreon, so I give you all my tips and tricks. Go ahead and check the link down below on Patreon. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend, everyone. Peace.